You think Pattaya's all wild nights and beach bars? Nah, it's deeper than that. Let me show you the real vibe. Alright, let's kick this off with number 10, the Sanctuary of Truth. Man, this place is something else. It's this massive wooden temple that looks like it was carved out of someone's imagination. Totally peaceful. I spent hours just walking around, looking up, my jaw on the floor. The detail is insane.
Today I'm at the Sanctuary of Truth here in Thailand, and man, this thing is gorgeous. Just take a look real quick. Look at that.
Now for number 9, we're hitting Jom Tien Beach at sunrise. I know getting up early on vacation sounds crazy, but trust me on this one. It's quiet, golden, and so chill. Bring your coffee, find a spot on the sand, and just vibe. You'll see locals doing their morning routines, and the light, perfect for those Instagram shots, if that's your thing. Coming in at number 8, we've got a Thai cooking class with locals. Forget fancy restaurants. Learn to cook street-style Thai eats with a local fam.
Oh, hell no!
I did this on my second trip, and let's just say my pad Thai game is now strong. The best part? You're in someone's actual home, chopping, frying, and laughing together. It's like the most delicious way to understand Thai culture, you know? For number 7, we're heading up, way up. Rooftop bars with sunset views. I found this spot called Horizon, and man, sunset here hits different. You've got the whole city below you, the sky's turning all these crazy colors, and you're sipping on some wild cocktail. It's one of those moments where you're like, yeah, this is why I travel. Number 6 on our list is Koh Larn Island. Quick ferry ride, and boom, total paradise. Water so clear, you'll think it's fake, and way less crowded than the mainland. Pro tip, rent a motorbike and explore. There are these little hidden beaches that'll make you feel like you've got your own private slice of Thailand. For number 5, we're hitting Soi Buakhao Night Market. This place is wild, y'all. Real street eats, crazy crowds, neon lights everywhere. I almost walked past this little food stall, but the smell pulled me in. Best noodles I ever had. Go where the locals eat, that's my rule. Number 4 is all about getting active. Muay Thai training for tourists. You don't have to be a fighter, just try a class. I was sweating my life away, but the experience? Worth it. It's a workout, a cultural lesson, and maybe a new hobby all in one. Plus, after you train, you can catch a real match and actually understand what's going on. For number 3, we're cooling down at Art in Paradise Museum. Not your basic museum, this one's got crazy 3D art. Get silly, snap photos, and just have fun. I spent way too long here trying to get the perfect shot of me falling into a painting. Number 2 is the famous walking street nightlife. Everyone hears about it, but the real fun is watching the mix of people. Locals, expats, party crews. It's pure energy, like the whole city condensed into one street. And for number 1, it's you, exploring and finding your own favorite spot. Could be a hidden beach, a tiny cafe, or a temple off the beaten path. That's the real Pattaya magic. So that's it. 10 spots in Pattaya that most tourists never see. From sunrise beaches to hidden food alleys, from island escapes to 3D art, this city's got layers. Pattaya isn't just hype, it's got heart. If you hit even half these spots, you'll get it. It's a place of surprises, flavors, and real Thai vibes. Peace out and happy travels.